day be bad? It's a day for lately. Life's so boring. I've been watching Netflix all day long. I thought there would be no things left to watch, so I let myself out. When I went to the park, you were face to face. We just smiled. We already know that we'll be together. Be together. How can my day be better when I'm with you? You're the only one who makes me laugh. So how can my day be bad? It's a day for you.